Welcome guys, in this video we would be learning about the on-click listeners, and we would be providing a functionality to these buttons that we used in our previous activity. So let's get started. Okay, first you have to convert your hard-coded text into your string resources via moving on to your resource name. You can choose any name of your own. So I would be using a button show toast as per that suits me. So I would apply the same case for the button 2 as well as my text view. So just follow these steps as I am doing. So now for the functionality for these buttons, the code would be provided in the main activity.java file. So I would be providing on-click listeners. So in here, in the text tab of your activity main.xml, you would be providing AndroidOnClick is equal to and providing a method or a function name that could be any name of your choice, again depends upon you. I'm using here of my choice, you could use any. So you would be creating a function in the main activity. I am using a message function, that is view. Same goes with my case 2, that is the button 2. So in this message I would be printing a toast message that would be displayed on my application or activity for a particular amount of time. So since I am using a string resource, so I would not be using my id here. Okay, so I would be using my string as a resource. Getting my point? And provide the toast with a length, that is length short or long, and print the toast via toast dot show. Now I would be using a message that would be displayed in my toast. So in my strings I am typing a message. So I would be using toast underscore message instead of button show toast. So in order to count the number or show the number in my text view when I would be clicking on my button, I would be taking two variables. One is of integer type, that is my count, that is initialized to 0, and I would be taking a text view reference object that would be show view. providing this with the ID of my text view. Now this ID is of my text view that is being provided by me. You can check your ID in your text tab in your activity main.xml and specify the same so as to get a correct output. So whenever I would be clicking on my count button, it should be an increment in the integer variable, so plus my count. So providing this with the statement. So in order to get an in order to find or get an integer value, I need to convert my string resource into an integer type. So I would be using a typecast over here, that is a show view dot set text. After that I would be using integer dot to string, and here I would be using my count variable. So basically it is a kind of a typecast that you could understand. Now I would be trying it on my emulator and checking that whether it works fine or not. So here is my activity loaded up. So when I am clicking show toast, it is showing hello toast by programming made easy. That's good. And when I am clicking on the count button, it is displaying the desired result. So I hope you like it, and thanks for